Okay.
Yeah, he's looking at us.
He's looking, okay. All right, gotta introduce to you Caden Higgins, one of our project managers, does a great job. One of our talking trends that we want to bring out in more of your custom home that has that mountain modern feel. Instead of going with a square Russ on timber or being too modern and too commercial, a lot of people put in those I-beams as their posts. Let's talk a little bit about the square post and the I-beam.
Yeah, something super modern about this house is obviously the metal. It's a super big trend right now, is just having a lot of metal on the house. And with this, you have to have some support for this roof coming out off your deck. And for that, they have these metal posts. Instead of doing an I-beam, you do a square beam, and it makes it feel a little bit, a little bit more clean and a lot more modern as well. And then on top of that, you have an I-beam running through it, so it still gets more of that industrial vibe, but staying more on the residential side, like Van said.
Yeah, one thing that will draw your eye to as well that not a whole lot of people consider is that we have a flat pan soffit. And we'll show that to you. But there's a flat pan soffit. In this case, we did a wider plank. How wide are our planks?
Probably foot and a half.
Yeah, 16 inches on that. They're a really cool, kind of a very clean, modern feel. It draws your eye out towards the mountains. Like if you look up, you're actually drawn more towards the outside. The other great feature about doing a square post as opposed to an I-beam post would be your finish. So when your concrete coating company or your overlay
Pavers.
Company, pavers, that fit and finish around your square post, so much easier to achieve. A lot of people will say, oh, well, I want this very modern look, and they do an I-beam post, and that is it's an installation nightmare as far as down to the bottom. So if you want to still keep that residential feel, but still commercial and that sleek feel of the trend of doing that steel on the outside, that square post is money. It's the way to go. So we like it. Hope you do too.
Yeah, one of the benefits with going a steel post rather than a timber, I can paint the steel post once and you're done. Where if you do a timber, you stain it, and then 2 years down the road, you have to restain it, and then another 2 years, and so forth. Where with these, you paint them once and you're good. So
yeah, you're good with that one.